Hi everyone, quick coloured pencil sketch for you today. It's of a place called Haywain in the south of England. I have actually drawn this one in graphite originally several years ago. There is a YouTube video of it if you're interested in seeing it. I'll leave a link in the description below. But I decided to break out my set of Derwent studio pencils for this. They're approximately 30 years old, yeah I know, showing my age. But nonetheless, they're still really nice pencils to use. Some of them are still the original ones from the original set that I bought. Obviously some of them, the most popular colours, have been replaced time and time again. But I thought I'd give them a try again today. Okay, they're not the greatest coloured pencils in the world. You know, the leads are fairly hard and they're a little bit underpigmented. But in a funny kind of way, that's what I like about them. You know, there's a good point retention there. You don't need to sharpen them quite as regular as I do when I'm using my polychromos or other coloured pencils. You can get some nice detail with these, and I've always enjoyed using them on top of my watercolours for mixed media work and things like that. In fact, I've been doing a few coloured pencil drawings lately with them. I've just finished a drawing of the Haywain by John Constable, and the studio pencils performed brilliantly. I got nice colours, nice detail. Really happy with them, even after 30 years. Unfortunately, I didn't film the coloured pencil version of the Haywain, but again, there is a graphite version of that on my YouTube channel, and again, I'll leave links in the description below for that too. But if you're interested in drawing along with this one and following a real-time tutorial, that's all over on my Patreon channel, and I'll leave links for that as well in the description below and in the end screen cards as well. Lots and lots of drawing projects over there for you if you're interested. If you just have a quick flick through my YouTube channel, you'll kind of get the idea of some of the drawing lessons and art lessons that are available to you over on my Patreon channel. Only £3.50 a month, that's all it costs, and you can pull out at any time you like. You're not committed to anything over there. Okay, so I said that this was going to be a quick one, and it is. We're just about at the end of the drawing now. So thanks very much for watching. I do appreciate your comments, and I do appreciate a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. So take care everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.